Somebody may be interested in research. Somebody may be interested in fast driving and all that, Formula One and all those races. So first of all, we have to decide on our goal. What is the goal of our life? But with that also, because one thing is there, while we decide our role, we should know what we are. When you decide your area, go for the highest goal. The life is changing at each and every moment. And if you don't accept graciously, if you don't accept in a free mood those changes, certainly you will be nowhere. You have to accept. So in life, you should always be open to the changes, whatever it comes. Don't get scared of. Whatever pains you receive during those changes, during those transition phase, always bear in mind. These changes are going to convert into happiness and a higher stage of satisfaction in you. That always you have to keep it in mind. Only once I could not get my promotion in the first instance. So I was having my chief regional manager, Mr. Jain, at that time. He also could not get. So I was very much upset. I was young. But I saw him. I wanted to see his reaction. What is his reaction for the failure? I found him from the next day. He became a very aggressive person. So I said, sir, you could not get and you are caring so much. Well, Mr. Singh, I want to prove them wrong who has not promoted me. I want to show them this is the man who has given a wonderful performance, and even then we have not promoted this man. I want to prove them wrong. So that's why I am working with double of my capacity now. And that was an eye-opener for me at least. So sometimes even a single thought can change your whole thinking process. Particularly, I have seen so many of our colleagues when they grow higher and higher up in positions. And if they grow only on the material aspect of life and their value system, their spiritual aspect of life, if doesn't grow, there are very likelihood of chances of falling down from the top to bottom immediately. If you grow only up above the ground, means in the material aspect, and you don't grow in the value system, there are all likelihood, there are all chances that one allurement in life can bring you straightway to the earth on down. So when you think of growth, think of growing in all dimensions of your life, whether it is body, whether it is your intellect, whether it is your soul. Soul is always fed by value systems. So that should be the orientation, that should be the philosophy of growth of each and every individual. That is my view of telling the things. You have to take your own exam every day. Here you are being examined by your examiners. But in life, once you leave the school or this thing, there will not be examiners. You have to be your own examiner. You have to do the self-introspection, whether I am going in the right way or in the wrong way, whether I am growing in all the dimensions or only in one dimension. What sort of growth should be there for my good life? So you have to be your own examiner. You have to experiment on yourself. You have to be a object of experiment as well as you have to be the experimenter. You have to be a doer, you have to be a object. That is the thing which you have to always keep it in mind while doing work in the life. Introspection is a must, and then of course we can decide what is good for us and what is bad for us. I will also say that never be satisfied Never be satisfied with yourself, not with the outside world. Outside world you should be satisfied, but with yourself you should never be satisfied. If you are satisfied with yourself, cut. No chances of growth. We have achievements, we have expectations. If our expectations are more, our achievement are less. So the gap between our achievement and our expectations, this gap is dissatisfaction. If our achievement and if our expectations are at the same level, there is no dissatisfaction. So then desire to reach this expected level will not be there. So sometimes we have to create a dissatisfaction, because what we desired, we achieved it. Then there is no dissatisfaction. I have seen so many of my colleagues itself. They decided something, they achieve it, and they just okay, बस whatever जो achieve करना था कर लिया, अब क्या है यार, खत्म हो गया. But then in that case, you have to raise this expectation level. If your achievement level has gone up, to create a gap between your achievement level and your expectation level, you have to raise your expectation bar higher, so that again there is a gap created, and that gap is the dissatisfaction. So always remain dissatisfied with your performance. That is a mool mantra. Never be satisfied. So these are few of the points which I wanted to share with you. All the very best to all of you. May God give you whatever you like in your life. Thank you very much.